Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to attempt a repair on an EN-EL4a Nikon battery. This battery is typically found in a D3 or a D3S camera or some of the older Nikon cameras. It's getting extremely hard to find at a good price. They can be upwards of $250 Canadian to buy brand new original Nikon batteries. So with a search on the interweb and the old jungle site, Amazon, I found replacement batteries. You have to buy them in packages of 2. So this Nikon battery has 3 cells in it, so we had to buy 2 packages. We'll have one extra. I have more of these batteries that I can replace the batteries in if this repair is successful. So hang tough guys, I'll get set up. We'll dive into this battery and see if we can repair it. So the first thing I did to get this battery apart is I took a knife and I pried this cell open all the way around the outside edges until I got it broke free. And this is what we find inside the battery. So like I said, I just took a knife and pried this case open very gently all the way around. Just be careful that the board is in behind here, on this end here. So be careful when you pry in here, and this comes apart just like so. So now we'll go and remove the board and the cells from the back of the case. I've just taken a simple knife and I've pried these up just to make it simpler. I pried the battery out of here, and as you can see, the battery's held in to the back of the case with some 2-sided tape. It takes a little bit of effort to get them out, but now we can desolder the connections on the board and also the back of the battery and attempt to put the new cells in. So this is what it looks like a little bit close. And we'll come back and we'll attempt. So with a little effort and a O-ring pick, you can pick these flat terminals off the battery. And again, you have to desolder this connection here. So we'll desolder this connection. I've already desoldered this connection over there. There we go. That's desoldered. And now we can fold this back and remove this shield. Don't be afraid to get a knife underneath there. Peel it off. We want to try to save this to use it again. If not, we can put some black tape on it. There, just about off. There we go. So that's a part on that end now. So we just have to remove these terminals out of here. And again, I've removed the back one off of here. It's kind of mangled up a little bit. We'll see how we can fix this to resolder it back onto the new battery. So we'll come back in a minute. I'll get this all apart, and we'll come back in a minute and we'll show you the rest of it. Again, I just used a knife and a screwdriver. No matter how you do this, you're going to actually bend these up pretty good. But again, we can solder this all back together, no problem. So I'll get these other two terminals removed, and we'll go from there. We'll get it back together. So here we have the various bits disassembled. We've got the circuit board and the leads here. We've got the rear terminal from this battery. From that battery we have this terminal and this terminal strip that goes across the other two batteries. So I will get back to working on this and get it set up so we can start soldering this back together. But there you have all the parts that has the Nikon battery has inside it. Again, taking these terminals off is a bit of a pain. They look ugly in the end, but a little bit of solder back on them, they'll be as good as new. So I'll get set up here to resolder these parts back together, and we'll bring you back in a second. So guys, here we go. After some fancy finagling around and lots of patience, I've got this all soldered back together now. I will let the batteries cool down a little bit, but it's all back together. So now what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll plug it into the charger and see if I can let the smoke out of it, or we'll see if it works and charges. So there we have it, a not so simple but simple repair to a Nikon battery. So thanks again for watching this video on how to replace the batteries in your EN-EL4a battery pack. What I'll tell you is that the part number of this battery is again available from eBay or Amazon. It's an NCR 18650B. And if I can get a little bit of a close-up on this. And that's the battery that you need. Right there. So, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to replace your batteries in your Nikon battery pack. It's a tedious job to solder this stuff back together, but as proven it can be done, and you can have yourself replacement batteries for a fraction of the cost of what Nikon wants, or some of these third-party people use. This is a little bit stronger battery than what Nikon has, but I'm sure you'll be pleased with the results. Again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.